Okay, today I'm going to Coast Fest 2025 down here at Mary Ross Park in Brunswick, Georgia.
Go through it one more time here. Aim. Fire. There we go. I will tell you when you need to cover your ears, it is loud. He's giving them command to take up their implements, grab their tools they need to manipulate the weapon. He said with solid shot load. Number one is sponging the tube with a wet sponge to put out any glowing ember that may be remaining in there. Again, number three is tending the vent. Number one taps the muzzle. The number 6 position effectively advances that round and gives it to number 2. Number 2 then inserts the round under the breech, under the muzzle. Once the round is seated, number 3 comes back to help the gunner sight the weapon. We got a touchdown signal. We are on target. Commander ready. Number 1 and 2 go into their safe positions. Number 3 is puncturing the powder bag. Number 4 is inserting a live friction primer. Eye contacts and nods. This is the time to cover your ears. This is loud.
Yeah, smoke.
Commander fire. We have successfully engaged the enemy.
You got a gigantic whale. Scuba diver.
This thing. Want to touch it? He's like, I don't know. Say, how you looking?
You watch.
All right.
It won't hurt you.
Let's go to the horseshoe club.
Touch it.
Check him out.
Wow, look at you.
You like touching
Did you touch a fish?
Look at the shrimp right there. Come on. Touch him? Look, here, Daddy. Yeah. You want to see that one? See his face and his eyes on the target of his head. Look at the other side of him. He's got a white. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Redfish are the big hog trough. Yeah.
What are those?
These are spotted haze, so you catch these or bycatch on the trawls a lot of times. Yeah. They don't get much bigger than that. You want to touch that?
Great horn owl in the park too. I saw one of those lying in the middle of the road at our campground.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
And he was probably.
Yeah, he's a male, so he's gonna be a little bit smaller. And
This
females
one
can get really large.
She was.
Oh yeah, probably a big old female.
That one red tail.
Yes, a red tail hawk. Yep.
Like to see the baby gator.
Yeah, so these guys are, it might hurt a little bit. They're not going to take your whole finger off, right? So this is Oki. She's actually on loan to us from Gatorland down in Orlando. But if you want to, guys, there's some really cool anatomic features that they have. So what I'll do, I'm going to push down on her eye, and when I let go, you're going to see a quick little swipe that goes by, okay? It's going to go fast. You guys pay attention. Look. All right. And you guys see that swipe? That's really cool, right? Whenever you guys go in a pool, do you